DoorDash launches ultra-fast delivery in NYC with couriers who are actual employees. Unlike traditional DoorDash couriers, some DashMart workers will be eligible for benefits. So you would typically have a DoorDash delivery person who would be, I guess, an independent contractor.
Yeah.
And there's been a lot of talk around how how some of them may actually be act more like an employee.
Mm-hmm.
And so there's been a discussion around that description.
And they're called Dash Corp.
The company?
Workers?
Oh, Dash Corps.
Yes.
I get it. There's a key difference between the delivery jobs on the main DoorDash platform and positions with the new DashMart fast delivery service. DashMart workers will be part of what the company calls Dash Corps, considered full and part-time employees. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Instead of independent contractors, they'll be eligible for benefits and they'll have set schedules and be paid $15 per hour plus tips. So this is going to help me get goods even faster, 10 to 15 minutes of my order.
Yeah, so they built a Dash Mart in Chelsea.
This is cool. This is
New York.
Yeah, I like this.
And they stock it with, 2,000 items where there'll be runners just like going to this place to just grab quick toilet paper, deodorant,
fresh and
cereal.
frozen foods, household goods, local products. Company says customers can order via the DoorDash app or website, and those who have its Dash Pass membership won't be charged delivery fees. DoorDash will donate excess DashMart produce to a local community food bank. I mean, the key here is 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes is really fast, obviously.
7 a.m. to 2 a.m.
I mean, assuming you're near this DashMart location, but you could picture these things popping up, man.
Yeah, I would imagine so.
All those conveniences.
Just for convenience.
All those conveniences.
Yeah.